Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa. So today is day 40 of solving daily problems on LeetCode. Let us see what today's problem is. So the problem is isomorphic strings, which is an easy level problem and has an acceptance rate of 43%. It is based on strings. Now let us first read this problem. The problem says that given two strings s and t, we have to determine whether the given strings are isomorphic or not. So let us see which strings are isomorphic. So all the occurrences of a character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of characters. No two characters may map to the same character, but a character may map to itself. Like here given two strings, s is egg and t is add. So our output is true because we can replace e, the single occurrence of e, with a. We can now replace with the occurrence of dd with the occurrence of gg. So in this case, in s I have that characters which can be replaced so that we can get t as their occurrences are same. And here you can see f can be replaced by b, but o a single o can be replaced by a, but the other o will be replaced by r. So same character should be replaced with the same character, but the frequency should be different, like index should be different. It is not possible that I reduce both the a's with the help of these two o, sorry, both the o's with the help of the single a, which is not possible. So in this case the output is false. And similarly you can see the other example, which is paper and title. In this the occurrences of p is replaced twice with t, like the occurrence of t is also two times and p is occurring also in this given string two times. Therefore here you can see that the output produces true. So now let us try to code this problem. So in this problem, first we will create two unordered maps. In order to store the occurrences which will be of character type, let's give them name mp1, mp2. Now next I will run a for loop from the starting to the ending of my string s dot length, and every time I will increment my loop pointer. Then we will check if mp1 si, and it should be mp1 si. It should not be equals to, yeah, it is not equals to ti. This is my condition, that here it is not equals to ti. So in that case I have to simply return false from here. Okay, let's say the given strings are hello, and the second string is a b c p. Okay, so these are two isomorphic strings. So first I will check here this if condition I'm checking here, but after that I'm putting these values in my map also. So this will be my second if condition, where I will check the values of my map 2. Okay, and here we will first check for ti in map 2. Map 2 is for my second string and map 1 is my for first string. So mp of 2, and here also we will check that it should not, ti should not be equals to si, means if it is not possible, it is false for the given condition. In that case you have to return false. Otherwise you have to add the given character to the unordered map, which will be s of I. I will replace it with t of I, and otherwise mp of, it's taking so much space, mp of 2, and here t of I will be equals to s of I. And at last, if this loop runs successfully, I have to return true. Okay, So what we have done here. So let us see for this example, which is hello and ABCCB. Okay, so in this given condition, first the two maps are declared, which are storing key as character and value as also a character only. Now I'm running a for loop from S from index I equals to 0 to last index of my string. Then what uh, I'm checking in these two if conditions. That first I will check in my unordered map 1. If for the first character where I equals to 0 h, if a mapping exists, like if previously I have encountered h character, so it is possible that I have mapped it with some another character in my string d. So in that case, I will check that it should be equals to my T of I. But if it is not equal, then it is violating my condition of isomorphic strings and I will return false. If the mapping do not exist, so by default it will store 0 at that place and it will continue. Same goes for the unordered map too. It will first check that if for the given character any mapping exists in my unordered map for the second, yani for T, if any mapping exists, means we have already mapped that character in string S. So then I have to check that it should be equals to my string I, and if it is not equal, in that case I will return false. And after that I am mapping the string character of my string S to T, and similarly in my second map I am mapping the characters of T to my string S. So if this for loop runs successfully, I have to return true. So now let us just run this code. Okay, we are missing one. Here we are missing one square bracket. Below also one square bracket is missing. So it is accepted. Now let's just submit this. So we have completed today's problem of the day, and I hope this video solution is clear to you. If you have any doubt, leave it in the comment section. Please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video.